Accidents at home do not happen to us. This is because most of us take fire safety for granted. In Singapore alone, unattended cooking remains the second biggest component of residential fires. The cause of such incidents is pure ignorance. Not all fires can be put out with water. To extinguish a cooking oil fire, turn off the stove or gas supply immediately. Cover the utensil with a metallic lid, fire blanket or wet cloth to smother the air supply. Wear an oven mitten if necessary. If the fire persists, dial 995. Observe fire safety in our homes. Be aware. Log on to www.scdf.gov.sg to learn more.